relief camp we have 60 relief camp we have done, sir. Then till now 68 sir. Then we have GR materials are distributed 149 villages. Some of the maybe remaining, sir, some 5 to
few people are there. Few, yes, very few, one village, two villages that called me personally. I've shared the number.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. We confirm it was distributed.
Wherever you need extra support and you don't have the necessary funds to move forward, you let my office know. And then I will sanction whatever additional amount from Chief Minister's special block. So PWD has to be asked to clear them. Even if they're not PWD roads, even if they're village roads, we need to clear them. Number two, obviously, we have to continue to provide the relief. There are still few villages. Good work. In fact, in the last 3-4 days, we've been continuously monitoring.